Some people were raised with safety nets. You had to build yours from scratch. You weren't born into comfort. You didn't have people guiding you step by step. No trust fund. No backup plan. Just pressure and survival. And yet here you are. Trying. Fighting. Becoming. It's easy to look at others and feel behind. But they didn't have to climb like you. They didn't have to unlearn pain while chasing peace. You've been building yourself from the ground up, with no blueprint. That's not weakness. That's strength no one taught you, but life forced you to learn. You're becoming the person you needed when you were younger. And that journey? That resilience? That fire? It'll take you further than comfort ever could. Your story may have started hard, but you get to write the rest. And it's going to be powerful.